An increasing number of CNC machines are being utilized in the production areas of Jasper engines and transmissions. In Pod 70 of the diesel division, this Mazak CNC machine is used in the block machining department for cylinder boring and milling of our remanufactured GM Duramax engines. This Mazak machine replaces two separate machines, performing both processes with a single unit. The Duramax is one of several engine families that are remanufactured in Pod 70. The Mazak features a user interface that allows operators to select the correct engine model being remanufactured. A probing system is first used to accurately determine the size required for boring the respective cylinders in the engine block. The Mazak bores one bank of cylinders, then rotates the block to bore the second bank. It also changes tools to mill each surface of the block, ensuring a proper mating surface for the gaskets and heads. Utilizing the Mazak CNC machine guarantees tighter tolerances and enhanced product quality. Additionally, it helps Jasper deliver our remanufactured GM Duramax diesel engines to customers in a timely manner.